Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to day 18 of our Junk Journal January challenge for 2026. Let's get out our junk journals, our sketchbooks, and get creative together. For today's prompt, which is accidental, let's see which spread in the junk journal we're using. And I just always flip around in the beginning to just find the right page for it. And for this one I decided to just go with the back side of the spread from Paper Trail, as it has this fold-out part, and I thought it would be fun to use another one of these prints from the ones I used yesterday as well, because I feel like when you kind of put the ink on paper and then fold it over, whatever comes out is kind of a happy little accident if you are lucky, so it's nothing you can predict in a way. So I thought it would be perfect for today's spread. And yeah, like I said yesterday as well, I'm just a bit hesitant to make an actual mess in the junk journal because I don't want to ruin the other pages. So I love to kind of make those more messy works of art or the more messy techniques on a different sheet of paper and then use them from there. So I'm just again cutting out this motif, and I feel like this could also be a butterfly, but it also kind of feels like a flower, and yeah, I don't know, I like the shape this one turned out, so I thought, why not glue it in here, and the broad shape of the page kind of fits the completed motif, which is quite nice. So we're gluing that in, and I wanted to just use one not so perfectly measurable, I don't know, I feel like watercolors are a medium that kind of brings a life of their own into the process a bit more than pencil or something like that brings. So I decided to just get out some watercolors to add to this spread, some more flowy, loose movements and some splatters to just have a bit of an not super predicted outcome in a way, but not make it too messy, I guess. So I just decided to splatter a bunch of different colored dots onto the spread to add to it. How are you guys all doing? How is the Junk Journal January challenge going for all of you? It's so lovely to always hear your feedback in the comments and read all those encouraging words. So happy you're all enjoying the challenge so much. I'm having quite a lot of fun with it, even though I talked a bit about the pressure yesterday. I feel like there might be some pressure when you set yourself a challenge like that, but also there is so much potential to get creative with and to come up with new ideas if you allow yourself to be challenged a bit. I feel like if it's super easy and just easy flowing, then it's not really a challenge and you might not actually grow from it as much. So I feel like for me it always is a bit helpful when I have to push myself a bit out of my comfort zone. And yeah, I'm really happy that I pushed through, and to also it's really helpful from time to time to have all of you guys waiting for my videos and my take on the prompt. So that's a really good motivation to keep me going. So thanks so much for everyone who interacts with my videos and my prompts and everything. It's so nice that we do this challenge together. I feel like that really gives me a lot of inspiration and motivation to push through even on the days that might be a bit harder. And we're already a bit over the middle part of the challenge, so I feel like we can do that and complete a really, really strong first creative months of 2026. I am really, really happy with how today's spread turned out. Even though it is quite simple, I feel like it's really expressive in the way it came together, so I'm really happy with that. I hope you enjoyed this creative session as well. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really, really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many, many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you very, very soon. Until then, happy creating.